Hi, this is Renaissance Workshops, Peter as Shadow speaking. This is a little video about appropriate setup and keeping dogs in their place. So yesterday we had 4 dogs barking and fighting and sniffing around and begging and cooing even. So we had to put this up. I did this gate, and this whole thing setup wise, I've kept recycled panels that are 1 metre square that we get off the side of the road for nothing, and 3 of them, bit of chicken wire, an old spoon which is working pretty well for a latch, and one big dog called Pepper. Hello Pepper. And Honey Sushi, yeah, small dog, big mischief. And over there, Honey. Do you want to come to the gate? And inside, hello baby, hello Pepper, yeah. And out there is going to be transformed into a beautiful yard with a mushroom fire pit and many other things. There's the stone napping temporary centre, and inside we have the giant, well to us giant big bandsaw, and the general workshop, which is organised if untidy. In other words, we always know where things should be and usually are, and usually get put back eventually. The jewellery area, there's just so many little areas, but that was basically it about setup and creating order out of chaos so that the dogs can be happy and the humans can be happy, because Renaissance is really a matter of order and structure to allow the maximum freedom for the maximum number of bodies. Well, over and out.